Okay, we're going to change this mortise for a new one. First thing that we will do, we will take the push bar out. There are two screws over here. We will take them out. After we take them out, this piece will be able to go out. Put it on the side, push the push bar a little bit, and then zoom in. You have two screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. Both of them we need to go down right now. We will take them out. One, two. Now the push bar will jump. We can leave it like that. Then we have another screw, the left one. Only the left one is the one that we're dealing with. If we were trying to take out the right one, we will mess up basically the mechanism. We take this screw out, we can leave it inside. Let's go to the other side. Now, this is the other right. We will turn it halfway and out. After we took it out, we have a pin over here that we need to turn. We cannot do it with our hand, so we will do it like that. Alright, so we're taking this spring out, and this spring basically will release the mortise from the lock. Alright, so we take it out. We put it the same as we took it out. Okay, then we're taking the mortise out. Alright, now look, take a look at that. Those two mortise are 1.8, they're a little bit higher. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I will take two of the extension out, like we did in the first one. Put it on the new one. Alright, put it back. Put it back. And then from the other side I'm putting the, what do you call it, ring? Mm-hmm. Alright, so we put back the ring that's holding it. The side is not moving. Now we will put it back. So this pin over here and this pin over here. Like this. Okay. So we will do it like this first. Okay. Then turn it. Alright, let's go back over there. Now we will screw this one in. Lock not moving, okay? Now what we will do is we will put back now the push bar. Now we will do that. We will find a spot that the tailpiece is going in. See? Sitting tight. Now what we will do is we will put the screws back. One. Two. Alright, is in. Now we will take this one back. We push the push bar back to us. We fit it in. And we will tighten it up. That's it. Now, door is closed. It's open. The other side, you want to do nothing. Still closed. The right side, and it's releasing it. Well done.